So good morning guys, it's crazy o'clock again, the birds are singing. So I drive this road most every day and I've seen hares on it several times. So last Thursday and Friday the farmer cut and took the grass off it, so I think it's going to be great now to be able to see the hares. The grass isn't so high, so I have about half a mile of a walk before I get to my destination. I don't want to go down in my van and scare them, so let's go, let's take a step into nature and see what we get. So there's one just up here, about 100 yards. I'm going to creep up through. He's just on the edge of the road. I'm after ditching my bag in the high grass there behind me, and I'll come back for it. I kind of have a landmark for it. Let's see, can we get this guy? There's two of them at the other side of this hill, but I suppose 100 yards thereabouts. My recon skills aren't as good as I thought they'd be. Every time I get anywhere close for a photo they're gone. But I'm going to try let them settle there for a few minutes, and then I'm going to try creep across slow and see what I can do. So I pass this field most mornings and you can see them eating in the grass when the grass was low and on the sides of the road, but it's just after being cut now, so I'd say another 3 or 4 days when the fresh grass starts coming up, these lads will be in for a bit of sweet grass again. So there's 3 of them just at the other side of the paddock there, right up against the fence. Obviously that's a defense mechanism with them, that if they see a predator or see someone coming close, they'll go run straight into the woods and into the trees. So anyway, we'll keep going. I wish I could get closer. Just tried a bit of stealth, sneaking across the field, but the field is very crunchy over after just being cut. So I think I got a few shots, small little bit of video again. Made it within to maybe 40-50 yards of him, but I really do want that up close shot. Definitely going to buy myself a teleconverter this week. So these little dirt roads are brilliant for wildlife as well. They come out to the edges to eat, and it's like a trek to get onto the main road. I just seen an adult here with a leveret, way too quick for me to get focus and everything on. Absolutely raging. I probably have to rethink this again. I'm struggling to get close enough. I can't believe that. There's a fox 50 yards away from me. I think he's actually going to go to sleep. He just had a good scratch. I'm actually going to get closer. Try. My feet are drowned. I purposely wore runners because I knew I was coming after the hare. So I just thought they'd be a little bit better for stealth sneaking up on them. I have tried it before with wellies on, and the wellies just made too much noise. But listen, I'm only out for 2 or 3 hours. I go home, have a shower, and my toes will surely forgive me. I definitely have to head back. My camera bag is about a mile up the road, dumped in a ditch. Knowing my luck, someone will pass and see the fucking thing. Just videoing a big bruiser of a guy in here, and it's one of the killers with the Z6ii. I find it very hard to focus at times. So that's it, guys. I'm packing up, I'm heading off. Very interesting morning. I can hear the buzzard all morning, I can't see him anywhere. I've spotted at least a half dozen hares, which is good. I got some opportunities to try get photos. My stealth definitely needs work. I'm definitely no ninja. I've got a little bit of video footage of a fox. Now I am doing handheld, so there's going to be a little bit of shake, but absolutely brilliant. Getting out on a morning like this is so therapeutic, absolutely brilliant. You know, your head is cleared for the day. I'm really delighted now I got up this morning and done this. That's it really, guys. Like and subscribe, does mean a lot to me, as I said before, and I'll see you all next video. Thanks for watching.